Hello, everyone. Today we have a very special invitation for you. We are making a workshop, a mastermind. It's going to run from the 25th to the 29th of April, and we choose different coaches and different topics. So you have a whole variety of themes and topics, and you are going to be able to make questions and talk directly to every one of us. So prepare yourself. It's going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And you are going to have this opportunity to watch and to ask questions to us for free. So really, really make the most of this mastermind opportunity. And I don't know, Jules, if you would like to add something else. We are so excited. The registration is going to be out there very, very soon. Would you like to add something else?
I am sitting here like on pins and needles because I am so excited that we finally got together and we got three more coaches to come in and help us with this mastermind workshop. The mastermind workshop, we are very pleased about it. Register now because if you wait too long, then we're gonna put it on the web page and you're going to have to pay for it. But each day something different is going to be spoke on. We're going to speak about teenagers on one day, and we're going to talk about toddlers on another day. The patience of a parent. Carolina, you have your own topic. What would you be talking about on your day?
Oh, it was so difficult to find just one topic. But as I'm a biologist, I would like to give the parents the information I didn't have when I became a mom. And it's why and how the brain develop of a child and why we need to really make sure our parent decisions and strategies and tools are according of the age and stage of this brain develop our kids and what's the important from the relationship between this topic and the self-care. So very, very nice topics of my heart.
I think that's going to be amazing because a lot of parents don't understand the development and why the child is development slower or faster than another child. And for you to take your time and energy to share that with other parents out there for free, I think is it's an amazing opportunity. So I hope you register. The landing page is out there. You can find us on Parent Enhancement Program on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. We're out there. We're ready for you. Thank you and have a great afternoon.